Being attractive is not enough. It's not the end-all be-all to be able to get any girl you want. See, being attractive acts like a gatekeeper, right? Imagine I'm the girl, this is my gate, my blocker, right? If a guy's attractive, okay, now there's interest, right? Now you have to fill it in with other aspects. But if you're just an attractive dude that's a loser, you ain't gonna get no play. Let me show you. One, you cannot just be attractive, you have to be smart. Imagine how embarrassing it would be for you to be the male version of a dumb blonde, which by the way, that's a dumb term, but you get what I mean. Just like nothing in your head, right? You're just an airhead. How embarrassing is that? So no matter how attractive you are, you have no substance. You have no interest. There's no intellect. There's no interest in conversation, which is why I push so hard. Gotta work here. Increase this, right? Whether it is that you're going to school, whether it is through experiences, whether it is through reading, you can increase your intellect. 2, your charisma. It doesn't matter how rich you are. It doesn't matter how attractive you are. If you cannot communicate with people, you're still a loser. You're going to be a loser, bro. Nobody's going to talk to you because you're going to be weird, right? And they're not just going to look past the fact that you can't communicate with them. This is why I do so many videos on body language and communication and tricks and hacks that you should do to practice it. But at the end of the day, that's the key point. Practice. The only way you learn to be charismatic is by dealing with different personality types, dealing with different confidence levels, with different people, with different attractiveness levels, and you start learning what works, what doesn't work, how to manipulate conversation, how to dominate conversation, how to get what you want out of people, and the only way to do that, you gotta go out there and start. I've always said this, do date pickup, bro. Go to the gym, go to the bar, not the bar, go to the freaking coffee shop, to the library, go to a college campus. It doesn't even have to be your college. And just start talking to girls, bro. And the more you do this, I promise you that charisma is gonna come up. 3, dress better. Especially if you're already attractive, it makes no sense that you're not gonna dress better and elevate what you already got. Yeah, being attractive is great. Being an attractive dude that can dress well, bro, you are literally like 0.01% of the population now. You are the most wanted type of individual, and all you gotta do is wear the right clothes for your body type. Shoot, I'm gonna make it easier for you. All you gotta do is click the link down below because we just launched our new collection for Essentials, boys. And this is, I'm telling you right now, this is flying. Pro members bought tomorrow. Whatever's left over is going to be gone like this. There is not a lot left. And I already told you, there is a bundle right now that if you buy the backpack, our new polo shirt, and our new trousers, which, I mean, just look how sick the combo looks together. But when you buy the bundle, I'm also going to gift you a bamboo t-shirt, a Tencel t-shirt, and an oversized tee. That 3 t-shirt pack that I'm going to gift you, those are our 3 best-selling t-shirts. We have sold hundreds of thousands of these t-shirts that I'm going to gift you. This bundle you'll never see again. There's only a few left, and it is first come, first serve. Once the bundle's sold out, you won't get this offer, obviously. It's only for the people that buy that bundle, which at this point, if I were you, it's probably gone. It's probably gone if you don't hurry up and click that link down below. 4, you gotta smell good. An attractive man can't be attractive if when that girl approaches you, you got terrible BO, your breath stinks, your car smells like dirty socks, and your room smells like rotten cheese, bro. There is no way in hell this girl's gonna give you a second chance. You might get one slip in there, one, but she ain't coming back around 2, right? Because it's disgusting. You need to be hygienic in every aspect of your life, which rolls on to number 5. You got to have drive, right? No girl wants to be a sugar mama. I mean, yeah, sure, some do. But for the most part, no woman wants that dynamic. No woman wants to be with the guy, no matter how attractive he is, that's a complete bum that she's going to have to then care for. She's going to have to be his second mommy because the guy has absolutely no drive, because the guy has absolutely no ambition. Which finally rolls us to number 6. You got to have confidence. I'm telling you right now, an ugly guy, not ugly, but let's say an average guy with confidence, will stomp out an attractive guy any day. That ugly guy will pull more than that attractive guy any day. That confidence that is your suit of armor. If you don't have it, women will see right through you and will walk all over you. That confident guy is actually putting himself out there. The confident guy is actually putting in the work, whereas the attractive guy, he's in the corner not socializing because he didn't figure out his charisma yet. That's it for you, boy. See you next time.